Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Linode Backup Job Failure Alerts easy tutorial step by step clearly. Once logged in, navigate to the Linode section in the left sidebar. Select the specific Linode for which you want to enable backup job failure alerts. Scroll down to the Backups tab. Ensure that backups are enabled for your Linode. Next, look for the API tokens section in your account settings. Click on Create a Personal Access Token. Name your token something relevant, like Backup Alerts. Select the required permissions for alerts, ensuring read access is included. After creating the token, copy it to your clipboard. Now, open your preferred email client. Compose a new email to your team's notification service or your chosen alerting platform. In the email body, include the necessary information about the alerts. Specify that you want to receive notifications for backup job failures. Paste the API token in the email, if required by your alerting service. Send the email to set up the alert configuration. Return to the Linode dashboard. Head to the Notifications section and enable email alerts. Make sure your email address is verified. Test the configuration by triggering a manual backup. Monitor your email for any failure alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.